All right. Yeah, so just to recap, here's what we got. A quiz, what's on it? Some prime factorization, a couple numbers, exponents, a couple questions, and that's it. Why? Because it's a quiz. Yeah, nothing fancy, just a little check. Now, what we can do is we can do some review questions for these, as well as the different topics we've gone over the last couple of days. That might be worth doing as well, right? And then when you're feeling confident and ready, yeah, you can write the quiz, and we can get on with the rest of what we got to do. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So going back in time. Going back in time. Had a question that looked like something like this. Write the prime factors of write the prime factors of 729. So how do we take care of this thing?
Divide by 9.
Divide by 9, someone's saying? Zoom. In my
Yeah.
left ear? Sure. We can do that. 729 divided by 9.
Will be 81.
Nice and fast. 81 there. Boom. Just like that. Good. What's next?
And divide by 3.
3 and 3 for the 9. Yeah. How about the 81? 9, 9. Sounds German. Yeah. 3, 3, and 3. How many threes? Don't get too excited. Okay, yeah, 6 in total. Good. So we could write out all the, we could write that 729 is equal to all these threes multiplied together. Of course, the short, cool ways to do it is 3 to the power of 6. Yeah, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 threes there. True? True. Beautiful. Yeah. So what can happen on the quiz and in life is that the situation, the numbers just get a little more complicated. Yeah. Okay. Let's go on to, just for fun, it's not on the quiz, but we are going back in time a little bit. So what would the square root of, what would be a 243 be equal to? Yeah, not bad. Got a pretty good description from class here about how to get going on this. First thing would be, yeah, prime factors. Yeah. So we could do that for 243. What are we going to do? Nice, yo. Yeah, thank you very much. 3 and 81. That works out. What would be next? 9, 9. 3, 3. Yeah, it would be 3 to the power 5. That's true. Okay, but the goal is to do the find the square root now, right? So how does that work? Anyone remember? Not bad. Final answer, 9 root 3, maybe. Let's see. do some circles, he said, and from class, and then you get 9 root 3 somehow. Okay, well, let's fill in some middle steps there. Once we have this, what can we do? We what we can do, these 1, 2, yeah, 3 to the 5, right? All these 3s, they're the same as 243, right? So instead of 243, what can you write? 3 times 3, right? 3 times 3, 3 times 3 times 3, like that, right? Beautiful. Yeah, nice. So, that's right, circle 2 of them at a time because it's square root, right? So turcle, circle 2 of them at a time, just like that. Yeah, that's the 9 that I heard over there. And what's happening with this one? Still stuck there on the inside, right? And so what do you get? 9 root 3 for the simplified, or the, actually, yeah, as a reminder, this version here at the top, this is called an entire radical because the whole thing's on the inside. And this thing is called a mixed radical. Okay, so don't forget those words just in case, right? Won't be on this quiz. This topic won't be, but in life, yeah. Peter, you okay with that? Comfy? Okay. Can we move on? What came next? Oh, yeah, a bunch of exponents, right? Woo. Okay, let's go through each of them. X to the 12 divided by x to the 7. What do you get? 12 minus 7. You are right. Nice. X to the 5. Okay. What about x to the 12 times x to the 17? Just add them together. That's right. We got a whole bunch. Expand it out in your brain. You got 12 x's here, 17 x's there. So how many are on the big list?
29.
Nice zoom. There are 29, right? So that comes from, I should have put a middle step in there. That comes from 12 plus 17, like that.
Mhm.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so those are 2 of the rules. What's another one? What's another situation? You help me out. What do I write? Mm, x over x with a -4 from one person. Something like that, you mean? Yeah, something like this. I'm gonna update it to, I'll say I'll put a 7 and a 3, like that. Yeah? Not bad. There's another way to do it. It's true. Just for fun, that is. Both are good. Yeah, that's true. And that's right. So the first thing, we got a negative up here. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Yeah, and it's in the instructions. We always want the goal is to always write the exponents as positive. Honestly, it's just for fun. In real life, we can handle negatives, but we just use them like that. Then, so yeah, get rid of the negative. So switch them is how we said it. I think back in the day, that's the switch. And then we're going to go up here to finish up the rest. Okay, so two directions we can go in now. Maybe not bad. So one goal, one strategy is to take a look at the inside first. Okay, take a look at the inside here. So if we look at the inside, we have x to the 7 over x to the 3. So what does the inside simplify to if we do that first? Yeah, it's 7, 3 there. X to the, yeah, officially to the 4, but yeah. So x to the 4 on the inside. That 4 is still on the outside, right? Yeah, exactly. X to the 16, because in this situation, there's 4 x's here, right? Yeah, exactly. 4 x's here and then 4 times. How many x's altogether? 16. Exactly. Yeah. Yeah, good. Okay, so what can happen? They just get crazier. See, look at this. You got it. This is something like on the quiz. X31 over X12, Y4, Y minus 2. I'll put an 8 and a 3, or 8 and a 6. And then I'll put to the 3 just for fun there. Fun for me and hopefully you too. Hopefully you too.
Okay, we need to switch for the -1, -2.
Not bad. Zoom's already on it, saying switch the minus away, right? Okay, so we can do that. I don't want to rewrite the whole thing. So I'm just going to switch it in here, okay? So
That's
then,
with a dump, like
yeah, so the y minus 2 on the bottom, where does it go? Goes to the
up.
top. And now it's plus 2.
Yeah, and y4 goes down.
Yeah, we can do that next for sure, Zoom said, and it's, yeah, we can do that. Still work on the inside, yeah? Okay. That's just it. Not sure about that yet. What I'm going to focus on the inside because we got this exponent that can make 8 very big, right? I don't know if I want to do that. Oh, okay, gotcha. So in class here, yeah, we got to work on the numbers, got to work on the x's, work on the y's. X's came first for some reason. Not bad. So we have 31 on the top, 12 along the bottom. What are we left with? Guaranteed it's not a guess. Or guaranteed, no. Wow, no, you shouldn't guess, but guaranteed there's only one answer. You can always do, this looks pretty busy. You can always do it off to the side. your brain will feel a little bit better. All right, x to the 19. Not bad, not bad. Okay, let's do the y's next. Exactly. I'm doing it off to the side more as a teaching thing. You can do this in your brain if you remember, of course. Right. Save some paper, and it gets done faster. So y to the 6 over there. So the x's are done, the y's are done. That 3's on the outside still, and we have 8 over 6 to deal with. How's that going to look? See, it's multiplying, so it's 8 times 8 times 8, which is 2 to the 6, 128, I think. But I think a nicer idea is to work on the inside first, as we have been. So take a look. If we have 8 over 6, exactly. Yeah. This is kind of what we did yesterday. The 8 can be rewritten as 2 times 4. The 6 can be rewritten as 2 times 3. They're the same. They're left out. They're gone. 4 over 3. 4 over 3. Yeah. Okay. And so this then looks good. Oh, what am I saying? Looks good so far. Now, yeah, let's put the 3 in. The 3 has to go into each thing now, right? And then that's where our real work is going to begin, I think. How's that on the screen there? That's not bad. Okay, so
4 times 3, 12, and 3 times 3, 9.
Zoom has an idea about these 4s and these 3s. No, it's like this. Check this out. So you see how there's a 4 here?
Yeah.
Or actually, what I'm going to point out, this exponent 3, it goes on everything. Okay, so I'm going to do this as a step here. The 4 gets the 3. I'm going to use brackets and do all the thinking in the next step there. That 19 gets the 3, or y to the 19. Y to the 6, that gets the 3. See everything, right?
Mhm.
And what's this step? It's just almost like copying, you know?
Okay.
The 3 goes to everything on the inside there. Okay, now we gotta work it out. So what is 4 now to the power of 3? Break out your fingers and toes. 4 times 4 is 16 times one more 4. 64 it is. Okay, so that takes care of that one. The 3 on the bottom. It ends up being 9 times 3. That's right. 3 times 3 is 9. Times one more 3. Yeah, for sure. That's 27. Here we got some heavy lifting to do. What's that going to be?
Oh, this is biggest one.
Class got it. There's Zoom. 57. And over here? Yeah, exactly. 18. Just like that. So starting to get sophisticated. Oh. Whew. There we go. Just like that. Okay, it's not bad. So you got something like this on your quiz, you know?
Let's go back to the first page.
Go back to the first page. Oh, of this question here?
Yeah.
Sure. It's not bad. That was the original question in black there. So work on the inside first. Simplify it as much as you can. Use those exponent rules there.
Mhm.
Right. This is all just separate work. You can do this if you want or not. It's up to you. If life is a struggle, then I recommend it. It just because it focuses on one part at a time. It's not like I'm doing X with everything around it. Here I'm doing X only. Yeah. Y only, numbers. Okay. How was that there, Hadil?
Yeah, was good.
Yeah.
Thank
Okay.
you for this. Yeah.
Right on. Then that's the second page just for fun, right? 3 is gone into everything now. There it is. There it is. There it is. And then a little bit of thinking, a little bit of calculating.
Mhm.
Okay. Let's do another one. Another one of those. Something like this one here. We got m to the 5 n minus 2 times the power of 3 to the, I was going to say 6. Mm-hmm. Yeah, exactly. Okay. So this stuff comes up with probabilities and that accident, that insurance type stuff, right? So don't worry, that won't be on there. But what we're going to focus here, inside first, right? Three M5 over n to the 2. Just like Zoom said last time, class got it this time. Switch the negative first, right? Makes it, cleans it up a bit, gets us closer. Okay. Any canceling, any dividing, any numbers and stuff? No, not for this one, right? M and N. Sorry, I couldn't hear with Calvin. One more time. Because this has a negative exponent, and to get rid of a negative in the exponent, you move it from the top to the bottom. So the rule is over here. If you have, I think they showed it as x minus 1. See? Goes to the bottom and becomes positive. If it's on the bottom, then it goes to the top and it's positive like that, right? So that's what's going on here. And negative, make it positive, put it on the bottom. One step closer. Yeah, yeah, exactly. The answer? Yeah, yeah, something like this. Yeah. All right, so this is the teaching part, showing you what I'm doing, working on the inside. Yeah, but you don't have to do that, I can see. And now we just keep going. All right, so what would happen next? All right, the 6 goes on each thing. So we get 3 to the 6. You got m to the 5 to the 6 divided by m to the 2 to the 6. Yeah, that's the rule when you have the 6 on the outside. Goes to each thing there on the inside.
So multiply it three times 6.
Not bad. No, Zoom, you said a couple of times. Zoom is saying 3 to the 3 blah, 3 times 6. Okay, so be careful. It's not that. It's 3 to the power of 6.
Yeah, so it will be
Okay.
729.
So maybe I'll show you. I'll put it in red because it's so scary. 3 times 6, that's 18.
Yeah. And the power of 6.
Oh, okay. Zoom's okay. 3 to the power of 6 is, yeah, I don't know. Too big for my brain. So, 729. Do we have that number earlier today?
Yeah, 729.
Funny we did. How about that? Huh.
I calculate.
Good work. So you just use what you learn. Not bad.
And M 30.
Yeah, M will be 30, 30 there. And on the bottom, N will be 12.
Oh,
Just like that. Yeah. Yeah. Whew. Zoom's got some action over there. Okay. Any questions about this one? No? Okay, so that's pretty much what you can expect for the quiz. Let's see. Just for fun. Well, it's all for fun. How about this one? Not on the quiz. That's a 12 because I changed my mind. X plus 12 times x plus negative 3. What does that equal? Well, I'm not sure what I said. I think I did say negative, right? Is it negative? I wrote this down? Okay, well, this is what we're stuck with in writing.
that's 2. And
I'm
plus
just hearing
3
things. X squared, yeah, I heard 3x.
plus 3x
Plus, nice.
and 12 x also plus.
Also a plus, yeah. And 12 times 3, I heard. So I'll write that down. Not bad. Okay. 12 times 3, 36. That's true.
Two plus 12, 15.
That's right. Both x's, both the same. Plus 15x.
And a plus 36.
Big plus, so it doesn't look funny, right? Yeah, nice. So what's this over here? I don't know. Random work. Someone said it. I wrote it down. Okay, that's good. What's going to happen? Numbers get bigger. Throw some pluses and minuses in there, right? Okay. Let's see. How big do you want to go? Let's try this one. Just for fun. 2x minus 3. 7x plus 4. Yeah, I'm going to do this time. I like it looking good. Look at that. Oh, right on. Yeah, and it will be 14x to the
14x2.
14x to the 2, but yeah. Yeah, and the second red there would be plus 8x. That's true. Yeah. Yep. Minus 12. It's perfect. Yeah, that comes down. Maybe.
Plus 13x.
See, Zoom says plus 13.
X
Class is saying minus.
minus 13. Yes.
Nice. Yeah. The Zoom, class said, he said these are being subtracted, right? So you just do regularly and then switch the sign at the end. So
Mhm.
21 minus 8 is 13, but it's negative, so make it negative. Yeah, good. Then minus 12, then minus 12. Done. Pretty good. Maybe I will put this on the quiz. Huh? What? No. It's easier than the other one? Oh, yeah. Okay. I think this first test is going to be all right. I will see what happens later on in the year, but yeah, should be okay. What do we got? What do I want to do next? Oh yeah, yesterday's stuff. We're starting to do yesterday's GCF. I should have put that on the quiz. That's all right. It'll be on the next one. GCF level 1. GCF of 30 and 32. How about that one?
Mhm. Divide by 2.
Divide by 2, Zoom says. I like that. So I'll set it up first.
15.
What
will be
happens if you, as soon as you draw the picture, sometimes your mind goes, oh yeah, I recognize that. Just like seeing your friend's face. Oh yeah, I recognize that. Yeah.
13 divided by 2 will be 15.
15 and 16, that's true.
And yeah, 15 and 16.
That's it. Zoom, I think we're done. We need a number next that goes into both. And there isn't one, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So GCF is 2 only for that, right? Okay.
Yeah.
A little more like yesterday then would be something like this. GCF of 12x plus 18. 6 is correct. Let's try and get there. Okay, so set it up like that. Three, sure, we can do 3. What do you get? Yeah. Nice. 4x plus 6 like that. Perfect. It's good. What else? 2, indeed. There's our 2. There's our 6 coming out. 2x plus 3, right on. So this question asks for the GCF only, right? Okay, so 3 times 2 as we've been doing. So GCF is 6 there, okay? But there's a little sneak. Remember yesterday what we did? We could rewrite this as 6 on the outside, that on the inside. Right? 6 from the GCF, and then what we have at the end goes inside some brackets there. What we have at the end goes inside some brackets. Okay? Maybe getting a little ahead, but let's be good up to the 6, okay? All right. Next one then. Set of GCF. Yeah, GCF of this one, just a little busier. 42x squared y plus 28 xy. Oh, you're jumping to 7 right away, eh? Okay, yeah, it's good to see that. It's true. 7 can work. So 7 goes in there. What do you got? 6x squared y. Yeah, we'll do the letters at the end until you guys get some practice. Then 2 for sure. 2, right? Nice, just like that. That looks good. Yeah, now the numbers are done. We can start looking at the letters. So x can come out. And now we divide. This is what we were working on yesterday. Okay, so what happens next? I'm going to do this one off to the side because of some work we were doing yesterday. 3x squared over x. What do we get? These are 2 x's, right? One of them is going to go with this one. I'll do it again. 3x squared y over x is the same as, or actually, what am I doing? These are exponents now, just like we were working on back a couple of sheets. X's and x's, right? That's a 2, that's a 1. What happens? Well, we get x, but 2 minus 1. That gives you x, right? Yeah. After all that work, what do we get? 3xy. How about the next one? 2y. Okay, 2xy over x. Boom, gone. 2y only. Thank you very much. Yeah, we can still go. We got y for this one. What do you see? 3x divided by y. The y's are gone. Divides out. Y is gone. Yeah. Nice. I think Zoom just beat you. 14 xy for the GCF that we got there. Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. What do you think? 5 minutes and then try the quiz? Yeah. You want a 5-minute break or what would you like? Break? Yeah, okay. Brain break. That doesn't mean break your brain.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Hadil, you okay there?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay, I'm gonna pause the recording then. I don't think whoever watches the video needs to see a break.